Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 3.5% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.1% during the session. The ultimate oscillator indicates an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair dove 1.5% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices rose after hopes diminished that negotiations between Israel and Hamas would lead to a ceasefire in Gaza, amid concerns the lingering conflict could potentially disrupt supply from the key Middle East producing region. The dollar was tentative as it failed to get a meaningful boost from a rise in US Treasury yields, though that kept pressure on the yen, which languished near multi-decade lows and left traders on alert for any signs of intervention. Over $102 million worth of leveraged short positions were liquidated within 24 hours as Bitcoin was trading above $70,000, reaching a weekly high of $72,000 on April the 8th.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's foreign investment in Japan's stocks will be released at 23:50 GMT. The UK's RICS housing price balance at 23:01 GMT. The US Consumer Price Index at 12:30 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment will be released at 23:50 GMT. The US monthly budget statement at 1800 GMT. Finland's industrial output at 5 AM GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.